This is the Bosch GSA1100E professional sabre saw, often called a reciprocating saw or just a recip saw. Using blades from the huge range produced by Bosch, it can be used to cut a wide variety of different materials, including wood, panels and plywood, sheet and non-ferrous metal, pipes, plastic and fiberglass, building products including blocks and bricks, even stone, polystyrene and much more. Weighing 3.6 kilos, this is a professional quality tool and is particularly good for demolition work involving cuts in mixed materials. You can also use it where you need to get into tight corners if access is difficult. The cutting abilities are really impressive, with a maximum capacity of 230mm in wood, 20mm in non-alloy steel and pipes up to 150mm in diameter. The GSA1100 has a powerful 1100 watt motor, making it the most powerful saw in its class, and this is reflected in the correspondingly quick cutting speeds. The stroke rate is varied on the trigger, giving you stepless control up to the maximum of 2,700 strokes per minute. This ability to vary the speed makes cutting more accurate, as you can start positively on the line at a slow rate and then speed up once the cut is properly established. The stroke length is 28mm. The blades are easy to change, thanks to the Bosch SDS mechanism that makes the insertion and removal process very quick and simple. There's no need for any tools. In some situations where access is difficult, it may be easy to cut in the opposite direction. On the GSA1100 this is no problem, just turn the blade round and refit it. The footplate tilts to take up the contours of whatever you're cutting to provide maximum support. It can also be adjusted in and out, allowing you to spread cutting wear over the full length of the blade. The Allen key for this adjustment is stored conveniently in the handle. The ergonomic soft rubber grips make the tool very comfortable to hold, reducing operator fatigue and also provide complete insulation. Powerful dual LEDs illuminate the cutting area, allowing you to see what you're doing and work more safely when it's dark or the work area is confined. These LEDs are permanently on whilst the tool is plugged in, which also acts as a safety feature as it indicates that you need to disconnect from the mains before changing the blade. For internal openings, such as in decking or plasterboard, you can make plunge cuts much as you would with a jigsaw. For flush cuts, in this case with projecting pipes, use flexible bimetal blades and just apply a little lateral pressure, keeping the footplate tight against the wall. For pruning jobs in the garden, the GSA1100E is a much safer alternative to using a chainsaw, and there are several dedicated blades for just this purpose. The saw is available in 240 volt, but for use on site there is a 110 volt model. An integral utility hook folds out, allowing you to hang the tool securely if you're working on a ladder or up a scaffold. The GSA1100 is supplied in a sturdy carry case, along with a couple of blades to get you started. Spare blades can be stored conveniently in the internal hinge compartment of the case. It is a range of inbuilt features and the superior build quality using only high quality components that makes the GSA1100E the class leader in terms of both performance and handling. As with all Bosch professional tools, the GSA1100 comes with a full warranty, and this can be extended up to 3 years by registering the product online. The GSA1100 Professional Sabre Saw.